Hi everyone, Arafat here from Adflix Consulting. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you element visibility. Element visibility is a trigger of Google Tag Manager. So element visibility is very powerful trigger. So when we will use this trigger, element visibility. Element visibility means when any element will be visible, then the trigger will be fired. In the most of the case, we use in a lead form. Suppose this is a lead form, contact us form, and when complete this form, and then our thank you URL will be visible in the URL. Sometimes the URL is not coming there, but the thank you message is visible in the here after submit the form. So how we will configure the, so that's why we will use the element visibility trigger. See, suppose I will fill up the form as a test form, email and test. This is submit, and the thank you message is here, but there is no URL in there. So we will, how we'll configure the lead form for market platform like Google and for Facebook, Pixel or Google Earth, everything. In this case, we will use element visibility trigger. So when the text, I mean the element of this text will be visible, then the trigger will be fired. So this is the element of this. Okay, so now I'll configure the how we'll set up the element visibility trigger. So and then we will select in the inspect, and this is the element. Okay, so now just click on the copy and the CSS copy selector. Okay, now we'll go to the element visibility trigger and we'll be select in the CSS selector. We can also use the ID, but in this case we'll use the CSS selectors, and this is the element. And then we will go once per page. Okay, so once per page, when we will use the once per page, if multiple events on a given page are matched by the ID or CSS selector, this trigger will be on fire the first time one of them is visible on another page. And in the once per element will be if the multiple element on a given page are matched by a CSS selector. So in this case we will use the once per page, and this is the percentage of the visible. So you will use the 100% when the text is 100% visible, I mean the element, then our trigger will fire. Okay, and then we will just tick mark this DOM also changes, and we can also use a condition in there. Suppose the page URL contains the contact. Okay, so this is complete. We can set any tag in there, suppose lead form. Okay, just save it. Now we'll preview and check actually this is working or not. Okay, so GTM is connected, and now we will go to the contact form, and again we will fill up this information in here. So test email and begin test and submit. So the message is here and our element visibility, and the event is coming in here. Okay, so now we will create any tags for GA4 or multiple platforms. See, if I click a form for Google Analytics 4, just click there, event. Okay, and we will just paste the measurement ID. We can use generate lead. Okay, so now we will select our specific trigger lead form. Okay, and just it will be GA4 lead. Now save. Now we will check again, just close it. Okay, click on preview. Okay, our GTM is connected here. Now we will go again the contact form. Okay, so now we will fill up the information. This test again, test and test, submit. The message is coming here. Our element visibility trigger also coming, and our GA4 lead from its success. So this is the condition, GTM element visibility. Okay, and this is the file is success. So actually, this is the process we can set up the element visibility trigger if the URL thank you URL is not here in there. Just thank you message, I mean the pop-up message in there. Then we can use in this type of form tracking by element visibility trigger. So that's it for today. If you want to learn more about Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, or Google Analytics, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. If you need help to data tracking or analytics, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact details are in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.